Hey guys, Coach 𝐸𝐿𝐴 here. Yes, I'm coming here with a bonnet. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to promote textbot AI on YouTube. How you can actually make money with textbot AI promoting this on YouTube. Okay, YouTube is one of my favorite places to promote. It's actually simple. You can from the gate begin to get views on what you're doing. And for people who, they may not understand other platforms, it's simple. You go ahead, you create your YouTube channel. All you need is a Gmail account. You can create a YouTube account. Okay, once you've created a YouTube account, you can begin to upload simple reviews. I'm going to walk you through the process of how to do it, just like I've been doing it. Today I had a person who they're coming in through textbot AI later, right? So this process actually works. So let's go into how to promote textbot AI. I'm going to tell you how to leverage YouTube, which is free. What you want to do is you either want to record the videos either on your phone, or you want to use Screencast-O-Matic or Loom. Those are Screencast-O-Matic is free up to I think it's 15 minutes. You could buy an annual package for between $15 and $30, and you can record unlimited videos. Okay, or you can use Loom. Okay, Loom is another screen recording software. So basically all these softwares allow you to do is to record yourself or your screen. So if you're not a person who wants to show your face, then you want to show your screen. If you're like one of those people who I really don't care and I'm all about branding me, then you want to show your face, right? So I have my bonnet on because I just took all my braids out. I'm conditioning my hair. So hey, show up as you, okay? Bonnet Chronicles. So anyways, let's talk about how to promote textbot AI. What should you be saying? What you need to do to promote it on YouTube. Again, create you a free YouTube account. Get you some screen recording software. Either use your phone, or you can, again, use Screencast-O-Matic or Loom. Okay, the next thing that you want to do is you want to make what is called a review video. This is actually a foundational affiliate marketing skill set. All you do is you basically do a review, give your best thoughts about the textbot program, explain how it works, how people get paid, why they should consider it, and how they could get started with you. And then you want to end with a call to action to tell them that beneath the video is your link where they can join you in textbot AI. That's as simple as it gets. And I want to give you 4 videos that you want to make if you're going to be promoting textbot AI. And these are foundational videos. And then I'll tell you where to go from there. So the first video that you're going to make for textbot AI is a full review. What you're going to do is you're going to explain everything. You're going to explain what it is, right? How much you can get paid. So you get $100 commissions, right, with this program. You're going to explain the compensation plan, right? And you're going to show them the back office, right? So these a full review, okay? That's your first video, okay? Your next video, just go over the compensation plan. So talk about the compensation plan, the one-up part of the textbot AI, how that works, things like that. And then again, your call to action. Hey, if you want to get started with this, making money with this, the link is in the description. Okay. From there, you want to do a back office review. Walk them through the back office. If you don't know how to do a back office review, go look at my last textbot video where I walked through the back office, right? I literally just showed what the back office is, how it works. And you got to remember, the reason why reviews work is because people are looking to join someone in textbot. They're typing in textbot AI review. They're typing in textbot AI, how to make money with it, how to promote it. And they're looking for someone to partner with that is showing the way, right? This is all I do with my affiliate programs is show the way, right? And you can do the same thing. And then people will make a decision. Now, this isn't something that's going to be instant, right? But if you're a person who you work a 9 to 5, you're like, how do I promote my business and get it out there while I'm busy? I got kids running all around the place, or, whatever, life happens, right? So your videos are always out there and they're always getting you views on your business. And that's how you get sales, right? Is you have to have a system, and YouTube is a system that systematically will bring to you people who are typing in these search terms. Okay. So again, the method is to make a full review, make a video on the comp plan, do a back office walkthrough, right? Show them how the back office works, and then make a video on how to promote it, just like I'm doing right now, how to promote it on YouTube, right? If you're promoting on Craigslist or Facebook or whatever. Show people how to do that. So essentially, you know, all affiliate marketing reviews is you're a how-to person, and you're showing people how to get a certain result with this system. Okay, now you definitely want to make some videos on show some proof. So you definitely want to join the textbot.ai affiliate group, which if you click where it says get help, you can get access to that group. And you want to show people some of the success stories of people that are in textbot. So make a video and show proof that people are actually making commissions with the program and things like that. That's another thing that you will want to do. And then from there, after you've done those kind of core 4 videos, then from there, everything is just an update, right? When you get your first commission, you're going to make a video. You know, another $100 day with textbot.ai, how I did it, right? You just make just updates. Okay. And that's how you do it. You show people, like when you learn certain things in the back office, you make a video and you show that. And what happens is, and I call it the high ticket consultant method, is something that I learned a long time ago, is that when you stop being so hungry for the sale and focus on being a high ticket consultant, meaning you learn the system that you promote, you share with people new things you learn about the system that you promote, you then become you'll have like a mass of videos out there for whatever you're promoting. And not only that, people will see you as the expert for that thing that you're promoting. And that's what you want to learn how to do, is to become the expert for whatever it is that you're promoting, so that people think of you as one of the leaders of that thing that they're promoting, or that you're promoting. I hope that sounds right. So that's what you want to do. Okay, again, full review, compensation plan, back office review, how to promote it. Those are some 4 core videos that you want to make up front. Okay, you of course not all in a day. Do one, you know, here, one there, you know, whatever. And once you're done with those 4, then continue to give updates about the program, updates about you getting commissions with the program, updates about people winning with the program. Show people, you know, things you're learning in the back office. If anybody asks you any question, like I'm getting ready to make a video to answer a question that somebody asked me today. So you want to make a video about that. So if anybody asks you a question, guarantee that other people who are watching, who are thinking about joining textbot.ai, they have those same questions. So make videos about questions as well. I hope that makes sense. So YouTube is an amazing platform. It can bring to you visitors and traffic for free to your affiliate offers. It's simple. You know, you can show your face, you cannot show your face. I would encourage you to show your face, right? Branding, right? Branding actually helps you close more sales because people need to know, like, and trust the person they're giving money to. But I'm just telling you what I know. But YouTube is an amazing platform. And again, it can work for you when you're not. Okay, when you're not, when you're asleep. It can work for you when you're on vacation. It could continue to build your business. I had a person watch videos that I made 6 months ago, and they want to join me in another affiliate offer, and I made those videos 6 months ago. So that's, you want to have a system and a machine that's always working for you, and that's leverage. Okay, and YouTube allows you to have leverage, and then the more videos you make, it compounds over time, meaning you'll get more views, more traffic, more leads, more sales. Okay, so stay consistent with it. That's my best piece of advice. Know that it doesn't happen overnight, but it happens over time. If you want some YouTube training on how to do YouTube the right way, reach out. I do have training available. And that's that. I will see you in the next video. Boy, this conditioner is getting the best of me. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Smash that subscribe button. Bye, guys.